Not every resume talks your actual work, your code, your research, or your real impact. If you're a job seeker in tech, your professional identity probably is scared everywhere. Your static resume that does not shows your actual skills. Your personal website that have been not updated while your thoughts on X or your GitHub projects. The problem is simple. Recruiters will not click 10 different links to understand who you are. You need one place that shows what you are capable for. That is what this platform trying to solve. This platform called Dink actually a AI powered platform that builds your professional identity based on your actual work, not just what you mention in your resume. It connects GitHub, LinkedIn, your social platform into a single card called Dink card. Like it's a dynamic identity to your profile. It grows as you grow. So if you're visiting first time, just go to here, click on sign up. You can sign up through your email ID password you can create, or through Google. You will need to add your username, so you can choose any username, and then you can click my link. It will redirect you to the platform or the page where you'll get all the things to add your profile. First, you can add your profile picture, your name, your professional summary, like what you are actually doing. Add all these details and a profile summary, like what you are actually doing right now, or what you know, your in a form of story. Okay, once you are done, then here comes the actual links which you can add. You can add your GitHub profile, your social work sample, your personal websites. So I have did all these things. Okay, like my YouTube channel, my personal portfolio, GitHub, LinkedIn, and my X account. So if you want to add something new, you can just click on plus icon. Here you'll get all the option to add, like summary. If you want to add a summary, here you can add all the information related to that. Okay, if you want to add notes, just click on the notes option. You'll get the notes. In the notes you can mention about anything which you want to highlight to recruiter or to anyone who want to collaborate with you. Okay, then you can add general informations like iframe, career trajectory, okay, network. Then you have a social media which you can add. Once you are done, you can customize this, like how you want to show it, in a vertical form, horizontal, in a small card, and you can drag and drop whichever you want to show first. Okay, it's very easy to customize, and in a form of one place you can list everything. It fetches real data. If you update on GitHub, it will dynamically be updated here. Okay, once you are done, then share your link card. Just download from here, or you can copy the link and share it to the recruiters, or add in your resume. Once they visit this profile, they will get to know everything. Okay, now once you are done with them, there are other features like you can get inbox from the other people can text you and you can connect. So how is that possible? You can discover people. Here you can find people's, write a prompt and it will search and extract all the profiles from which you can find people, and you can connect, you can talk, or you can collaborate, anything you can do. So it's a very good way to connect people from different field or to similar field. So you have to just write prompt, it will give you profile and you can connect. Okay, this is the one feature. Once you visit to home page, here you'll get one more option, that is analysis. So here you can analyze the profile as well. Like if you are want to hire someone or you want to collaborate, just paste their profile. For example, if I paste my GitHub profile, it will analyze everything and shows in a form of summary. Okay, everything. It will be easy for me to to take a decision, either I want to collaborate with person or to hire him or not. Okay, so go register. You need invitation code, that is let's code. I will add all the links in the description, check it out.